Ever wondered what your home could look like with a professional makeover? Watch this video to find out. Hi, my name is Sadlika Sehgal, and in this video titled Stunning Property Transformations Before and After, we'll delve into how a home makeover can bring dramatic change to your house, revamping within your budget while meeting your constantly changing requirements. Watch this video till the end, as I have a bonus tip for you that will blow your mind. Without any further ado, let's get started. What is a home makeover and why do we need it? Similar to how people use makeup to enhance themselves, a home makeover is a process of redesigning and renovating an old home that requires the transformation of the interior and exterior of the house. Renovations can include simple changes like repainting or rearranging, or more extensive projects such as remodeling kitchens and bathrooms or adding outdoor spaces. Home makeovers give homeowners the freedom to personalize their homes according to their tastes, while simultaneously increasing the value of their house. This is killing two birds with one stone. Also, home makeovers allow proper utilization of the space, making the home feel larger and more organized. Some home makeovers also include energy efficient upgrades. This can lead to substantial savings on energy bills. What's the power of a home makeover? Home makeovers can greatly improve the comfort, functionality, and appearance of a home. They can transform a room to better match the homeowner's personality and lifestyle, and can even increase the value of the home. When it comes to home makeovers, many different elements can completely transform a house. Space is like a blank canvas that shapes and how we perceive and use it, with both positive and negative spaces playing a role. Lines play a clever role in directing the movement of the eye, with vertical lines creating a sense of length and horizontal lines adding a feeling of width. The presence of light can have an impact on both our mood and how well we can see, while the choice of color can help define the style and atmosphere. Form and shape contribute to a sense of depth and visual hierarchy, while texture and pattern bring visual interest and dimension to the design. When it comes to selecting materials, it's important to find a good balance between aesthetics and durability. This includes considering sustainable options for those who are environmentally conscious, so that the renovations have a long-lasting impact on the ambience and functionality of this space. Which areas in a home need improvement in general? Before starting a home makeover, it's important to sit down and identify the loopholes present in your house. Start with the kitchen, as it's the most used area in the house. Over time, appliances can become outdated and need change. It is also the most common area that needs a makeover. Next, do check the bathrooms, as they often need upgrades with showers, curtains, and fixtures. The living room and the bedroom also often need improvements in aesthetics and comfort. Yards and patios and decks often need improvements to enhance their usability and appeal. This could involve landscaping, adding outdoor furniture, creating an outdoor kitchen. Older homes often lack energy efficient features like improving insulation, updating windows, and installing energy efficient appliances can lead to long-term savings. When should you get a home makeover? Home makeover isn't just at the whim of one's desire. Often people do home makeovers based on their individual needs. There are some common scenarios that often cause people to do home makeovers. For example, a couple with a baby on the way realizes their two-bedroom home won't be sufficient. They envision converting their basement into a comfortable, well-lit guest room. They also want to transform this small, rarely used backyard into a child-friendly outdoor space with a play area. A couple whose children have moved out find their home suddenly too large and quiet. They decide to transform their new spare bedroom into a cozy home, office, and a craft room. They also want to renovate their kitchen to make it more suitable for two. A homeowner wants to reduce their carbon footprint. They envision installing solar panels on the roof, upgrading to energy efficient appliances, and redesigning their garden to be more water efficient. A culinary enthusiast feels constrained by their small outdated kitchen, they dream of a spacious modern kitchen with high-end appliances, ample counter space, and a large island for a meal prep and casual dining. A homeowner who recently started working from home needs a dedicated workspace. They envision transforming a corner of their living room into a functional home office with a desk, comfortable chair, and plenty of storage. Even if you don't have any of these scenarios in your life, you can still get a home upgrade based on your own needs. What happens in a home makeover process? A home makeover doesn't happen overnight. There are several steps involved in the home makeover process. The first step before hiring any professionals starts with you. You need to first visualize and conceptualize what your dream home makeover will look like once we are done with that. The next step is to plan the home's layout and functionality. This can be challenging as it requires a balance between the aesthetics and practicality. Working with an interior designer can help overcome this challenge as they can provide insights into the latest trends and materials. Also, don't forget to choose a proper color palette as it is crucial. Keep an eye out for the materials. You want the best quality after all. Homeowners often face challenges with budgeting and timelines. It's important to create a detailed budget and timeline in advance. Flexibility with the timeline and clear communication with contractors can help manage these challenges. Lastly, the execution phase involves carrying out the renovation work. Challenges during this phase can include unforeseen issues such as structural problems or delays in material delivery. Having a contingency plan and budget can help manage these challenges. How can the changes meet your expectations? A home makeover is more than just fixing up a place. It's about making it feel like it was made just for you. No matter what changes are made, they're meant to make life easier and more fun. For example, more workspaces in the kitchen and a cozier living room are both goals. Plus, with modern touches like newer furniture and changes that use less energy, it's not just about how the space looks, it's also about how you feel about it while saving money and the environment. Also, don't forget how great it is to see your dream home come together right in front of your eyes. In the end, it's about making your home a safe place where every corner tells a story and every detail shows off your style. Now talk about the bonus tip. Think long term. When you're planning your makeover, think about how your wants might change in the future. You should make a place that can change with your life. This could mean picking materials that will last and not break easily, or making a layout that is simple to change. This method not only makes sure that your home will continue to meet your needs, but it can also save you money in the long run by keeping you from having to make any more repairs. If you would like to know about Toronto real estate, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my socials to keep yourself updated. If you found value and would like to see more videos, click on the boxes on the screen. Once again, I'm Tadlika Sehgal, your real estate expert, and you can get in touch with me through my contact details in the description box below. See you in the next video.